Oh no.
Bro, my account got permanently banned.
What?
Dude, I swear to God,
Bro.
what the fuck?
That's how you approach a fucking girl? Let me put it to your pussy. No wonder you get no bitches. No wonder you're ending up with a fucking stream sniper.
Oh my.
Holy shit, you guys are ass.
Oh my, Lanza. He's cooking.
He is back again.
Bro, they all sound like you.
Two. One in the hole. One drop into that hole.
I'm gonna go get fucking busy. Fuck all you.
Down one of them.
Down that one into the hole.
Oh, these guys are the same ones. Same guy.
Yes.
I want to do a sick one.
Do.
I want to do like the movie makeup artist come over and I'm like
Do the
Jason or some
Terrifier.
shit.
Alright, there's one of
way
them.
too terrifying. Oh.
Wait, I need to get these guys actors really quick because these guys. I literally die to the stream snipers every time that game. Yep. Excuse me, sir. Would your mother be happy if you used that type of language, little bro?
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Oh, you got some fucking shit.
Well, like, that doesn't feel right. Jesus, dude. Dude, why am I getting fucking demons in level 1? I'm literally a level 1.
Supply drop, soldier.
Slater, brother, I don't think they like me very much anymore, brother. Like, I don't want to take someone's account and then that gets perma-banned too, so I want to use this and see if my shit gets banned, dude. I thought you were friendly, bro. Oh. I guess he's not friendly.
Disguise.
I thought he was gonna let me kill him again. I did not trust anybody. If you get banned, I guess so. My account got perma-banned. Is that normal that you can just get back on the same computer or whatever and just get right back on? Is this normal that I'm able to do this? What the fuck is a UAV at? You can't buy a UAV on this motherfucker? Oh, hell no. I had one of my buddies level up my guns.
Now for your friend.
Dices, is there any way that someone from in the game could put cheats onto my setup? So Dices, there is a possibility that Dices, there is a possibility someone could have gone into my account and put cheats on my account, like without me knowing, because I don't have, to my knowledge, I don't have anything on my PC. Dices, in December of 2023, someone did. So yes, Dices, December 2023, I paid someone to level up my guns and to get the camo. PX animosity, would you look at that, dude? I don't want to get y'all's accounts banned because I don't know if I'm gonna get banned again. Boys, can we get some pop love up in here, dudes? Gay shots, thank you, my man, for saying that, dude. Again, you guys, I never thought this would ever fucking happen. I've done nothing wrong, and now I'm being fucking blamed. And now I got fucking people stream sniping, hacking me, potentially fucking. I don't know. I didn't do anything fucking wrong, dude. And COD won't fucking tell me, which is even more fucked up part. COD literally will not tell me what the fuck I did wrong, dude. Bro, my account is. How do? Okay, who has the website? Does someone have the website? Does somebody have the website? Ricochet team, we have sent the COD unban tool to your agent. This issue will be resolved shortly.